Hey everyone, what's going on and welcome back to another tutorial video. I'm your host Bullish Bears Kevin, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use different arrows on TradingView. Now the arrow tools might not seem that important, but it's always important because we want to know how to keep a clean chart. So whether you're posting charts to social media, sending a chart to a mentor, it's good to understand how to use these arrow tools so we're not using brush tools all over the place. So the first thing we're going to want to do when we use the tool is we're going to come to the left hand side where our toolbar is. We're going to come down to the sixth slot, which is normally on the brush tab, and this is going to be our shapes category. So we're going to come down to where it says arrows. As you see, there are four different types of arrows. We have the arrow marker, the arrow mark up, and the arrow mark down. So the first one we're going to go over is the arrow marker. What we're going to want to do to use this is we're going to first click where we want the end of the arrow to be, and then we're going to click where we want the arrow to point to. So let's say I want to add a text somewhere up here. I'll start the arrow here and bring it down to wherever I want to point to. But as you see, the further away I get with this tool, the larger the arrow gets. Now that's not too ideal when we're trying to keep clean charts. So this is something you would probably want to keep pretty close in length. You don't really want something like that on your chart that is blocking a lot of candles and it is not clean. The next tool we're going to look at is going to be the regular arrow tool. This one is the same type of idea. You click where you start, but when you drag it, it does not get larger when you're going away. So this is a really clean tool, really useful. You could point it to wherever you'd like, and again, you could even add text to it. So if we come over to text and add text, we could say supply, and we could add that wherever we want on the arrow. We could have it on top, middle, or bottom. And then same thing, we could also have it top center, top left, and top right. So the next two tools we're going to be looking at is the arrow mark up and the arrow mark down. The arrow mark up does just that. It is a arrow marking up. This would be a good indicator or tool to use if you want to know where you bought. So we could turn this green and we could even add text to it saying something like buy. Or if you want to go over a trade review, you could say something like bought 2 contracts, or just bought 2, right? And that way, when you start journaling your trades, it'll be a lot easier because now you could follow it up with a down mark arrow and say you got out of 1 contract here. You could add your text, sold 1, and then you could even duplicate that by hitting the clone button. That way you could show, okay, I scaled out of 1 contract here and my second contract there, and you could then screenshot this and create your journal. I hope this video helped you guys. It's definitely great to know all the types of tools that TradingView offers. Check out our YouTube for more videos like this. Take care, happy trading, and I'll see you guys later.